Hello guys, good morning. I want to do my daily analysis, just a quick one. For me, I major in Eurusd, Gbpusd, gold. Now, DXY, if you check on a monthly, it was ranging, making some highs, some lows, some highs, some lows, went up, came down, went up again, came down. Now it's ranging in this zone. And if you go down to the weekly, it elaborates the ranging zone really well. Now for I think the past 3 days it has been on an uptrend. That is on Friday, Monday and Tuesday it has been going up. Now if it has been going up, the other pairs like EU, GU, we're expecting them to be selling. Gold is a little bit tricky, sometimes it goes against the trend, but let us start first with EU. EU had marked this zone because of this order block, but before we go back to that, let's check the overall trend on a daily time frame. For me, I do trade the intraday. So here it went up, came down, went up again. Now it's ranging actually in this zone. It's been ranging, making highs, lows, high, lows. Now it was coming down since the past 3 days, same way as DXY has been going up for the past 3 days. Now it has reached a zone here that I expect it to react to the upside. If you check this zone, the buyers got in and pushed this thing all the way up. Now it has come and tested this zone, so I'm expecting it to go up. Let's see some other time frame. You see it reacted, went up, came, tested again, didn't break, went up. It has been going on a sideways, but I expect it to break. When it breaks, you wait for something like this. You wait it to break, reach a little bit there, come, test, and then head up completely. That is what I would expect from it. Yeah, let's see what GU tells us today. GU, if you check the overall trend, it's going on the sideways as well, but overall upside. Okay, so right now it reacted here, came down, and then went up again. Now here there's some zones that we're gonna see on the lower time frames. Okay, these zones I think they're in the 15 minutes. Okay, here this block over here that pushed this all the way up here, and then there's this block over here that pushed this all the way up here. Now gold GU broke this zone, almost tapped at this, didn't quite reach it. I hope you can see that, didn't quite reach it, and then went up. When it went up, now it reacted to this zone. It has reacted to this zone, went up. Now I expect it to come up. Okay, let's see the 4 hour. You see it tapped to this, went up. I expect it to head up all the way to the top. Now if we check the 1 hour, the 1 hour shows us that it has been going up for the past 1, 2, 3, went down for 1, and then up again. So for me, I would suggest, just this is my plan, mind you, I'm not an expert in this is just my view, it's not a trading advice, just watch. I would expect it to come up, break that zone, test, and then head up. Okay, that's my expectation for GU. It's take your management into consideration because your account is yours alone. Just check it up before you enter that trade. Now, gold on a daily, gold doesn't actually behave normally as the other currencies when it comes to it against the DXY, but sometimes it does, sometimes it behaves in its own weird, unexplainable way. Now, if you check on a monthly we have a bearish candle that's forming, still on the formation stage. If you check on the weekly, it has shown us that it's getting ready to drop. Okay, so I expect it to come all the way to this zone and then drop all the way down here. Okay, but let's see on a daily. On a daily, the zone that I'm telling you, the pattern, you see it came down, came back up, came down, up, down. I expect it to come to this zone and then plummet. First it will find a resistance here, come back up a little bit, get some supply, and all the way down to this zone. Okay, if you check on a 4-hour, today it's been going up. Let's see what time now. That's Monday. Today started on a bearish. Now it's going up. I think it might break this zone because I'm expecting it to come here and then come down. Okay, so it's breaking that zone. You see, it's an uptrend. You know, how do you know that's an uptrend? It started down here, it made this low and then made a higher low and then a higher low and another one and another one. Now I think it's gonna break this zone soon, and when it breaks this zone, you wait for something like this. You wait for it to come, break this zone, come down, and then all the way here. Okay, and then another low and then up until we reach this zone. Okay, just check, but remember, management skills is key. Okay, even in the 15 it shows you clearly that here it made a double bottom and then went all the way up, came down, tested this resistance area here, all of this some resistance area, and then went up, came down, made a low that tested this zone. Okay, and then went up. So just check and make sure your management skills are up to par. Okay, let's see some news today. Okay, yesterday and Monday we didn't have any news, so today here it goes. We have CPI coming out. This is a major news that will make things really rumble in the markets, and we have some FOMC statements later on in the night, so we'll wait and see what will happen. But remember, not just USD, there's also GBP. So GBP USD, as I have told you, we expect it to head up, but check this news, it might change things, to make things go down. So be ready, always on the market, put your alerts so you can know when it's hit your zone where you are ready to buy. But remember to always check what's happening out there. Okay, have a nice one, good trading day, see you tomorrow. Cheers.